Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox. Your device name has already changed once every 7 days. So many of you users facing this problem while changing your name in Roblox app. So how to fix this problem? Because this problem is I am already facing in previous week. So how I fix this problem I will tell you in this video. So make sure you like this video and follow this video by step. So as you know, this is a technical problem. So if you want to solve this problem, you need to contact Roblox support team. So how to contact their support team? You need to send a mail to them, a mail on the address info@roblox.com. So here you need to enter the subject your problem, and after that in compose email section you need to enter your information regarding your name, your all the details like your user id, email, mobile number. All this you need to tell them, and tell them that what you problem facing in brief. And after you telling all this problem, you also need to attach a screenshot of your problem that you are facing in Roblox app. You need to take the screenshot and attach in this mail. And while you are attaching this screenshot, you also need to make sure that your all the information regarding your account is accurate, because their team will verify your account and do all the verification. And after that in 2 days your problem will be solved. So under 48 hours your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting videos.